students, today we will going to discuss about the next topic, that is rationalization of denominator. What is the meaning of rationalization of denominator? It means that we need to make the denominator free from the square root, or you can say the irrational number. Okay, in my previous video I have explained you that how to rationalize, or you can say that how to get a rational numbers by multiplying it through its rationalizing factor. So here we need to rationalize the denominator. We're gonna apply the same thing, that is rationalizing factor here also. That what we're gonna use, that we multiply the numerator and denominator by an irrational number. That irrational number is also called rationalizing factor. You need to remember that the rationalizing factor of 1 upon root a plus root b is root a minus root b. Similarly, for 1 upon root a minus root b, the rationalizing factor will be conjugate, means definitely there will be change in sign. See, I have taken one example, that 1 upon root 3 plus root 2. Its rationalizing factor will be the conjugate of this, means the number will be same but change in sign, means root 3 minus root 2 will be its conjugate and it will be its rationalizing factor. To make you more clear, we'll explain through some illustrative, or we'll take some illustrative example. So here we go for the first. Is 3 plus root 5 by root 2. See, we need to rationalize the denominator, means we need to remove this irrational number from the denominator. For that, we will multiply the denominator with its rationalizing factor. Okay, if you're multiplying the things, if you're multiplying the denominator, according to the math rule, we need to multiply the same things to the numerator also. So, what we'll write here, multiplying numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor, that is root 2. So, from here we can able to get root 2 into root 2, and here we are multiplying with root 2. So here I could able to get root 2 into 3 is 3 root 2 plus root 2 into root 5 upon root 2 into root 2 is 2. Means we have rationalized the denominator, or we can say that we have removed the irrational numbers. Okay, from the denominator. So you can simplify it more, that is this root 2 into root 5 is root 10 upon 2. If the value of root 2 and root 10 is given in the question, you can directly substitute it here, otherwise leave it here itself. Okay, now let's move to another question, that is 1 upon 2 plus root 3. As in the first, I have already told you that whenever it is given like that, 1 upon root a plus root b type, its rationalizing factor will be the conjugate of it. Means if it is a root a plus root b, its rationalizing factor will be root a minus root b. If it is root a minus root b, then it will be root a plus. Let's move to the another question, that is 1 upon 2 plus root 3. As I already explained you, we need to rationalize the denominator here also, means we need to multiply it with its rationalizing factor. Multiply numerator and denominator with rationalizing factor. Here the rationalizing factor will be the conjugate of this. Conjugate of this means the same number but differ in sign, means 2 plus root 3, its rationalizing factor will be 2 minus root 2 minus root 3. As we cannot multiply this number alone to the denominator, we need to multiply this to numerator also. Okay, so 1 upon 2 plus root 3, by multiplying the rationalizing factor to numerator and denominator, we could able to get this thing. Okay, 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. by that identity which I have already explained in the last video, that is a plus root b, a minus root b is equals to a square minus b, right? So here we can apply the same, that is 2 square is 4 minus 3, that is 2 minus root 3 upon 4 minus 3, which is equals to 1. So we have rationalized the denominator and we could able to get the answer 2 minus root 3. Okay, to make you more clear, I'm just going to solve 2 more questions. So here we go. To make you more clear, I have taken another example here. See, again here we need to rationalize the denominator. For that we need to multiply the numerator and denominator with its rationalizing factor, and the rationalizing factor will be the conjugate of this, means the denominator is 3 minus root 7 na? So its rationalizing factor will be 3 plus root 7. So we can write here multiply numerator and denominator by its rationalizing factor, that is 3 plus root 7. So 3 plus root 7 upon 3 minus root 7 will be multiplied by 3 plus root 7 and 3 plus root 7. Here it is becomes 3 plus root 7 whole square. And here it will be a minus b and a plus b. We know that 3 square minus 7. Okay, we can apply the formula here. A plus b whole square, it is a square means 3 square plus b square means root 7 whole square plus 2ab means 2 into 3 into root 7 upon 3 3s are 9 minus 7. So in next step we can able to get 3 3s are 9, root 7 whole square is 7 plus 2 3s are 6 root 7 upon 2. 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 6 root 7 upon 2. See, and one step more you can do, that you can take things common from here, that you can take 2 common from here, that we're left with 8 plus 3 root 7 upon 2, and this thing will be cancel out. 2 is cancel out with 2 and we are left with a plus 3 root 7. This is the simplest form. Okay, let's move to the next question again to make you more clear. See, another question, that is 7 plus 3 root 5, 7 minus 3 root 5. Again we need to do the same. We need to find its rationalizing factor. The rationalizing factor will be the conjugate of this, mean 7 plus 3 root 5 will be its rationalizing factor. So we need to multiply numerator and denominator by the rationalizing factor 3 plus 3 root 5. After multiplying numerator and denominator, I could able to get 7 plus 3 root 5 whole square upon, here we will apply a minus b, a plus b, and I could able to get 7 square minus 3 root 5 whole square. Now you can expand this thing by applying a square plus a plus b whole square. That will be 7 square plus 3 root 5 whole square plus 2 into 7 into 3 root 5 upon 7 sevens are 49 and 3 root 5 whole square. See, I am here doing 3 root 5 whole square means 2 times of this, 3 3s are 9 and root 5 into 5 is 5. So 9 5s are 45. So I can write in place of this 45. So here it is 7 7s are 49 plus 45. 2 7s are 14. 14 3s are 42 upon 49 minus 5 minus 45 is 4. Okay. So by adding this 49 and 45, I could able to get 94 plus 42 root 5 upon 4. I could able to take 2 common from here. By taking common, I could able to get 47 and left with 21 root 5 and here 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ja. After cancel out, I'm left with 47 plus 21 root 5 upon 2. This is the answer. I hope you have understood how to rationalize the denominator by its rationalizing factor. Or okay, if not, again you can go through the video to make you understand well.